Getting your parts when you need them ensures you keep your commitments to your customers. With the services commitment in a CAT CVA, you get your parts when promised, or Caterpillar pays. That means your maintenance parts will be available when you need them, as soon as the next business day if you require it, or you get a CAT prepaid credit for the value of the late parts up to $1,000. And if your CVA includes dealer-performed maintenance, your common repair parts will be available when you need them, as soon as the second business day, or you receive a CAT prepaid credit for the value of the late parts up to $1,000. And when it comes to priority service, there's 4 things you can count on. Your appointment gets scheduled right away. Diagnostics are run on your equipment before the dealer technician even arrives, so your appointment is quick and smooth. Your dealer will have a technician on site as soon as the second business day if required. And progress updates get sent to you, so you know what machine's being serviced and when it will be ready to get back to work. When you have a CVA, you have our commitment, so you can keep yours. It's that simple. Ask your CAT dealer about the services commitment that comes with the CAT CVA today.